So my name is Robert Taylor. I'm the head chef owner of Tallow restaurant in Tunbridge Wells. So the dish I'm going to cook for you today is pan-fried cod with a potted crab butter. It's got a little bit of brown crab mayonnaise on there as well and some sea purslane. So we're going to start with the cod. Just going to trim it up and lightly salt it for 10 minutes. Wash that off and then dry it. Just let it sit for a bit. And then in the meantime, we're going to gently melt down some butter. Going through the melted butter with a little bit of cayenne pepper, a little bit of mace, a little bit of paprika, and we also, I like to put in mine just a little bit of Old Bay seasoning as well, because I feel like it just adds, a nice punch to it. So next we're going to put a pan of oil on to heat up. We're going to get it nice and hot. We got our tapioca crisp that we're just going to deep fry till it puffs up. We're just going to use that as a little bit of garnish for the dish as well. What we've done is, with the tapioca, when we made the base for it, we put some of the kind of potted seasoning through that as well, just to kind of bolster that flavour in. And we're just going to deep fry that until it puffs up and then put it on some paper to drain. We're going to pan fry the fish, so we're going to put it into some hot oil, get a nice colour on it, kind of turn it over. Then we're going to add some butter in and just give it a nice baste. Just keep that going and then take it off and just let it sit in that butter just to rest through, and that should finish the cooking on the cod. So to plate the cod, we're going to put the cod in the centre of the dish, and then just to the side we're going to pipe on a little bit of brown crab mayonnaise. We're going to spoon over nice and gently the potted crab mix, a few little leaves of sea purslane, and then just top it with the tapioca cracker. And here we have our pan-fried cod with potted crab butter and tapioca crisp.